A falling asteroid, a comet, a burst of cosmic dust. What if this celestial event was an opportunity, hurtling towards you? That's what our revolutionary affiliate business system is. A golden chance, veiled in the mundane. Harnessing the power of hub methodology, this system is a wealth-creating engine that runs on autopilot. No need for alternate platforms, funnels, or opt-ins. It's all in one place, simple and efficient. But hold on! Like a comet's fleeting visit, this chance too is transient. Our beta testers' slots are filling up faster than the speed of light. Don't let this opportunity become a missed it by that much moment. If you're intrigued and want to delve deeper, we've got you covered. Attend our live masterclass to decode this system. Uncover the secrets, ask your questions, and get ready to change your life. Don't just watch a comet pass by, ride on it. Grab your slot today and embark on this journey of wealth creation with our affiliate business system.